All right, so let's go over naming real quick. This is just naming basic stuff. You always write the first part of the name is the metal. Metals always have to come first. No exceptions there. You just state the name of the metal. Don't change anything. So if I'm working out an example here, I would say metals come first, that's magnesium. I would write magnesium. The next one, Ag, is silver. I would just write silver. Then the second part of the name is your nonmetal or your anion. If the nonmetal or the anion is just a single element on the periodic table, which is what we're starting with, then you change the ending to "ide." If it's a polyatomic ion, if it's more than one element, which we'll get to in a little while, we'll deal with the rules that you need for this. It's actually kind of easier. But if it's just normal elements on the periodic table, we change the ending to "ide." So N becomes nitride. Phosphorus becomes phosphide. Oxygen, bet you know this one, oxide. Sulfide. Fluoride, bet you heard of that. Chloride. Bromide. And iodide. So once it becomes an ion and it's bonded, then we write the name of the nonmetal, but we change the ending. So this is magnesium fluoride. This is silver sulfide. This is calcium. And then N is nitride. And finally, potassium phosphide. That's it. Never, ever, 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 ever use prefixes. I know if I said, what's this called? You would say it's carbon dioxide. Don't use prefixes with ionic. Only for covalent. That's coming up in the next section. You just write the name of the metal as is. Don't change anything. And then figure out what your nonmetal is. Change the ending to "ide." Nice and simple.